Capturx Markup for PDF software helps geographically dispersed teams accelerate collaboration. Using a digital pen and standard paper printouts, handwritten notes and markups are integrated into PDF files, which can be shared with anyone who has access to Adobe Reader. Instrumental in a variety of mobile worker scenarios, including inspections, field service, and project management, Capturx Markup for PDF software automates paperwork, enabling teams to eliminate data entry time and costs, complete reports faster, capture signatures, and reduce risks from compliance gaps and poor operational visibility. As a result of using Capturx Markup for PDF, organizations are able to streamline communication of handwritten notes and markups, improve productivity and reduce risk, continue to work the way they always have by writing with a pen on a paper printout from a standard PDF file. Let's see the software in action. I've got a printout here which was converted from an engineering drawing to a PDF file. I simply printed the PDF file using Capturx Markup for PDF software, which automatically created a 2D barcode for the printout, which you can see in the background. This digital watermark is unique to the printout and also unique across the page. I could print this on any size sheet, up to Architectural E with a plotter. It prints on ordinary paper. The digital pen has a scanner that tracks the 2D barcode as I write. It also records all the information. I could write all morning, afternoon, or for a week on site. If needed, I can use the markup utility card to change digital ink colors and thicknesses. This can be helpful when writing on a dense printout such as a map. I will write replace shingles and then change the digital ink to a medium thickness blue to outline the area where the current shingles are rotted. When I return to my truck, my office, or wherever I have access to a PC, I simply dock the pen using a USB connection. The Capturx software will download the recorded ink strokes and barcode information from the pen and integrate the digital ink in the right location, on the right pages, and the right files. You can see the PDF file automatically opens and my markups and notes are integrated into the file. When I double-click on a markup, I can see the associated author, date, and time when the markup was written. These markups are permanently added to this file. They can't be removed or edited. I can send the file to anyone, even people without Capturx software, and they can see the markups in Adobe Reader. Teams use Capturx Markup for PDF software for a range of scenarios: inspecting buildings, vehicles, and outdoor locations, capturing signatures during sales and delivery processes, notating maps to indicate outdated information or needed work tasks. For remote workers who don't have access to a PC, a mobile phone can be used to route the digital ink from the pen to a team member who does have a computer. Back to the beginning of the workflow, to print the file, I simply go to the PDF file and right mouse click. You can see the Print for Capturx PDF Markup menu item. This brings up a familiar set of printing options. By default, we print in template mode, which creates a copy of your file. The Capturx software simply adds a number to your file name. This prevents me from accidentally redlining my original file. If I print 10 copies, I get 10 files, which 10 people can mark up as separate files. If I want all the markups to go into the original file, then I simply select Direct Mode. For users of Terago technologies, Capturx Markup for PDF supports GeoPDF files. Digital markups are automatically geo-registered and can be seen using Terago's free toolbar. Also, users can export these annotations into a KML file, which can then be viewed with mapping software such as Google Earth and ESRI Explorer. With Capturx Markup for PDF, mobile workers can continue marking up drawings and maps and capturing signatures related to inspections and deliveries the way they usually do, with pen and paper. But now, they can immediately share that information with project managers, inventory managers, and billing departments. There's no need to wait or pay for documents to be scanned, driven, or tubed up and FedExed. You get more done with less by reducing costs and risk and improving productivity.